Well, usually when we make two videos in a week, it's not necessarily a good thing for the market. But as a trader, we can't complain, can we? So, Trump today announced 5% tariffs on Mexican imports. The market is not reacting well, giving back all of today's gap up gains after a trend day up, so to speak. I mean, we held um, yesterday's lows, technically a higher low. Um, that pretty much got erased, as we could see where the futures are trading right now below Wednesday's trading range. So that's not set in stone. We have, right now it's 11:49. We have time to see where we open up the morning and how, that pre-market digests this news. So what we're going to be looking at is our weekly chart. Not good, guys, for the bulls. Not good at all, to be honest with you, in my opinion. Complete rejection of our 13 EMA from our high of the week. Our MACD is crossing. As you can see, we have a lot of room to head lower, and there is not much support. This support right here at 273.27, which is I guess like our bottom base right now. If this breaks 273.27, we have room to drop down here. And then if that breaks, that's already at 261, 262 in that range. If that breaks, we can test these lows very quickly. There's not much holding us from, stopping that. As you can see from these large candles, like that's totally possible. I want everybody to keep that in mind, and that's exactly why I've been saying I don't want to hold anything overnight in this market. I don't care if it's a small cap stock. I don't really care. Like, there's just like nothing in this market right now, or politically speaking, to make me want to hold anything overnight. As a trader, we want to protect our capital. We want to protect our accounts. We don't want to gamble. We want to trade short plays. For those of you who don't do that and you have that gambling mentality, yeah, you might get lucky sometimes. You might get a nice win or two, but long term, that will not benefit you. I promise. I absolutely promise. So the resistance, this is what we're looking at on the daily chart. We're testing the lows from Wednesday. So if this low breaks, there's also a support down here, 277.20. If this breaks and we gap lower, below Wednesday's low, which is also our weekly low so far, we have room to 275.47, and then down next to that last one I just spoke about at 273.27. Those are right off the weekly charts. So there is definitely room on the downside still. I'm gonna keep those in play tomorrow. I'm not too sure if those break. If we do break that, there is room on the downside. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow if that is the case. I probably plan on going to the beach after the morning session, so enjoy the weather while I can. Finally got my car on the road. I've been busy at the DMV getting plates and registration all taken care of. The New York DMV is absolutely horrendous, so I want to enjoy myself a little bit and take a break away from these markets if I can, if it's choppy. If we do have some nice trading, which I do expect we will, due to this gap, and it is a Friday, so I expect a ton of volume to be in the market. So I believe we do get nice trading ranges off of this level here at 277.20 and even into yesterday's low, possibly on the upside. So I want everybody to keep that in mind. We have our levels intact, but keep this weekly chart in view. There is, we have that somewhat head and shoulders, shoulder one, head here, shoulder two. The head's kind of located somewhere in this area, I guess. It's not picture cut, but it's there, and there is a ton of room to drop on the downside. So just keep an open mind. As we know, one candle at a time, one day at a time. That's it. But I wanted to get this video up and speak to you guys about this and get more of a picture in your mind for what is in store. Obviously, we're gonna have to wait to see what this morning, the next morning holds for us, and obviously I'll be there to commentate on that and get us all prepared. So without any further ado, I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Everybody have a good night. If you're watching this in the morning, let's kill it. Yeah, that's it.